Number 23. Number 23, I'm trying to get y by itself. So at some point I need to deal with this negative 10, and at some point I need to deal with this 6x, because that will leave y by itself. If I can make the 6x become a 0, 0 minus 10y is minus 10y. If I can make the negative 10 become a 1, 1 times y is y. Those are my goals. I'm going to work with the 0 term first because it's easier for me to do. So I do that by subtracting 6x on both sides of my equation. 6x minus 6x is 0. That's what I wanted. 20 minus 6x is 20 minus 6x. I do not combine and say 14. They are not like terms. The 20 does not have an x, so I cannot subtract 6x from it to combine and get a 14x. 0 minus 10y is just a negative 10y, and so now I can divide by negative 10. You can do this a couple ways. For this unit, we'll let you write it all under at one time and just say that's your answer. 20 minus 6x over negative 10. But in the next unit, we're going to want you to go a little bit further. And so some students like to write it like 20 over negative 10 minus 6x over negative 10, and then simplify it, which is what we're going to be doing a lot of in the next unit. So y equals 20 divided by negative 10 is negative 2, minus 6 divided by 10 is the fraction 3/5. You could use a decimal, but in the next unit we're going to want that to be a slope, and it's minus a negative, or negative 2 plus 3/5 x. You do not have to do the subtract 6x step first and divide by negative 10 step second, but that is what almost every single math teacher would do because it's easier. If you do the divide step first, it can still be done correctly, but it causes more challenges.